how to add a Visa gift card to PayPal. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This doesn't work for all Visa gift cards and it depends on the type of card you use. For example, vanilla Visa cards are often not accepted. Now, to add a Visa gift card to PayPal, simply go to the PayPal website and sign into your account where you want to transfer the money. Navigate to the Wallet tab and click on Link a Card. Input the Visa gift card details as if it were a credit card. If the card is accepted, it will appear as one of the available payment methods in your wallet. If the card is not accepted, you might receive an error that says the payment method is invalid. In such cases, there isn't a way to use that specific Visa card to transfer funds. PayPal Vanilla Visa gift cards often face this issue. If the Visa gift card is successfully linked, go to the Send and Request tab. Input the name or email address of the PayPal account you want to send the money to. If you're sending it to yourself, you need a secondary PayPal account. In the Payment Method section, choose the Visa gift card that you linked. Enter the exact amount of balance on the gift card and proceed with the payment. If you're transferring money to yourself, log into your secondary PayPal account to receive the funds. Check your PayPal balance to confirm. So that's basically how you can add a Visa gift card to PayPal. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.